Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harji Creations. In this video I would like to describe a very easy knitting stitch pattern. Friends, this pattern can be used for making any knitting project like sweater, jacket, scarf, etc. From the right side it looks like this, and from the wrong side it looks like this. Friends, it is a 4 rows repeat knitting pattern, and stitches needed for cast on are the multiple of 5 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you really like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, please also hit the like button and share my video with your friends in your groups and keep supporting me. Thank you. Friends, for the demonstration I have cast on 12 stitches on my needle, 10 multiple of 5 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's start the first row of the pattern, right side. Slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is knit 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Knit 4, then yarn in back and slip 1 stitch purlwise. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row. Knit 4, slip 1 with yarn in back. So one more repeat is knit 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Knit 4, yarn in back and slip 1 stitch purlwise. So in this way we will complete our first row. Last I have edge stitch, so knit the edge stitch. Second row, wrong side. Slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is, friends, this is a slip stitch. Now in this row we will also slip this stitch. So with yarn in front and slip 1 stitch, then purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip 1, purl 4. So we will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is slip the stitch. It is also a slip stitch in the previous row, so in this row we will also slip this stitch. So with yarn in front and slip 1 stitch. After that purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Last is edge stitch, so simply purl the edge stitch. Third row, slip the edge stitch. After that our pattern will be start, and the pattern is yarn in front and purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Purl 4, yarn in back. Friends, this is a slip stitch. Now in this row we will knit this stitch. So knit 1. Purl 4, knit 1. We will repeat this pattern in the whole row, and repeat pattern is yarn in front, purl 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Purl 4, yarn in back, knit this slip stitch. Knit 1. Purl 4, knit 1. Last is our edge stitch, so simply knit the edge stitch. Fourth row, slip the edge stitch. After that purl all the stitches in the fourth row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. So friends, after the 4 rows our pattern is ready like this. We will again start from row 1 to 4 and we will repeat these 4 rows until the desired length of our pattern. When we repeat these 4 rows, we will get a pattern like this. Friends, I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching my video and enjoying knitting with us.